Okay, Inqwelo Cinema family, nguyandisa kanzeko lona, one of the directors Inqwelo Cinema. We are here at Phillipi Village partaker with film festival that has been organized by Phillipi TV. So for now, we're just going to go there and then see what's happening inside, get to enjoy the movies that are going to be showcased as part of the film festival. So follow me, let's go this way.
It was a great experience to be part of the Phillipi TV festival, and I think as an upcoming artist it is very important to come to such events because yikho la ubona khona ukuba abanye abantu benzani, yikho la ufumana khona again encouragement to keep growing. And I know ukuba in these days abantu they want to be in the industry, but abanye don't know how to get into the industry, and there's that desperation about if only I can meet with so and so mhlawumbe they can put me in the industry. But also we live in a very digital era where you've got your phones, you've got social media, you've got TikTok. I'm a platform afana nabo TikTok. That's where people actually blow up. They are doing skits, so you can start practicing and start working and showcasing your talent so that abantu can spot you and see you. When you get into the industry, you've already got attraction, you've already have got a kind of an experience, and abantu also in the industry, I know, also trying to get into the industry, that they want abantu abanye following. So start where you are and start working and attend our initiatives afana nalawo, especially those that are taking place in townships. We need to support each other. Such people that are doing such events are needing our support, and also this is the place where we as well get encouragement and get to grow. So big ups to Phillipi TV, and I'm looking forward to coming to other festivals as fana nalezo, and to Inqwelo Cinema. You guys are doing a great job. Let's keep pushing. Thank you.
Molweni, igama lami ndinguSiphoseti ifanyam ngoTyonase, also known as uMhambi Wendlela, art-based organization, Imakukhanye Art Room from Site B, Khayelitsha. Imakukhanye, it's an art-based organization that works for a development in a transformation of creatives and art-based practitioners ezifumanekayo throughout Khayelitsha and outside Khayelitsha. So in the end, it gives the necessary resources to the marginalized artists izame ke ubancedisa phana phaya in strengthening their crafts. Ke Imakukhanye Art Room inayo iwebsite yayo, and also inayo ilanto ka-internet services eziranayo on the cyberspace. So ungayi-emailela uzame ke ngoku uthetha qabaqaba ngale nto ufuna ukuyenza phayana kwi-internet okanye kwilanto kwi-website yabo okanye kwi-email. If let's say you want to do an exhibition okanye you want to run any type of event kwesa space, ubhale kwi-description yakho into about what kind of an event ofuna uyenza, urhalela iMakukhanye ikuncedise kanjani, then iMakukhanye iyakwazi ukunika ispace if necessary ikhawulelane nawe kwezo mfuno okanye kwezo zidingo zakho kuloo nto ufuna ukuyenza phayana. Okay, this is my first time attending Phillipi Village, and also the cinematic experience happening here. So I believe this is a very historic event, and this is a very phenomenal event that is happening because firstly it's giving out equality to community members as marginalized from experiences as lolu. Secondly, it provides the necessary education, especially kubantwana abasakhulayo, teenagers and youth, whereas it addresses into the GBV nezinye circumstances of society. So I would say it's a good resource for abantwana abakhulayo.
Hi, my name is Inkwenkwezi. I'm the founder and the managing director at Phillipi TV. I'm also the organizer of the festivals that are hosted by Phillipi TV. Okay, briefly what Phillipi TV does, or let me break it up for you. Phillipi TV, ungantoni. Phillipi TV it's an organization where we give platform to young upcoming actors and filmmakers. We train them and then we offer them a platform where they showcase their talent. So what they do is after the training, they also graduate as well. And then after graduation, they get their certificates and stuff like that. And then after that, they act on films that we produce. At the moment, the films that we produce and direct and all the stuff that we make are broadcasted on Cape Town TV. So we have a slot there, Mondays, 10 p.m. This is where we play our drama. That's where we play our dramas. And then on Thursdays, I forgot about the slot. Okay. And then Saturdays we have a reality show called Unlimited Experience. So it's a reality show. So the presenters there are from Phillipi TV. So it is produced by them, by Phillipi TV. All of those involved in that program on Saturday, they were trained they were trained by Phillipi TV. All those who were involved on that Monday slot, all those who make those films on Mondays, like all of them are trained by Phillipi TV. We don't do films only. We also do theater. So we've been to Zabalaza Festival. We've been to Grahamstown, Khini, that arts festival, and then we've been in a lot of festivals, and then we've done a lot of shows and going around theater-wise in terms of theater. So we do films, we do theater. But if I can weigh them. I can say we do 60% film and then we do 40% theater. Yeah. And then at the same time, beside that, we also do music as well. We also do poetry, also do dance as well. But for the past 2 years or so, we've been focusing only on those two. We've been only focusing on those two, film and theater at the same time. So, and then beside the arts part, we also do community projects. We don't do only art on the art side. So we also focus community projects. We do school holiday programs. We do recycling programs. We do feeding schemes to help the community. We do a lot, partnering with a lot of organizations such as Anglo-American, BP. I mean, a lot, like to make sure that the community, we help the community at its best. So at the same time, as we do those things, also do, as I said, we do school holiday program. School holiday program is part of what we do, and we've been doing it for the past 3 years. Every December, we host about 500 kids. They play games. We feed them. We give them vouchers. You can pay ShopRite vouchers, food vouchers. We do give them uniforms. We give them presents just to make them happy during school holiday program. Yes, and then that initiative is supported by DCAS, the Department of Cultural Affairs and Sport. So they always support us every December. Every December they always support us with that initiative. And then there's a lot that we do. There's a lot of things, and then we've got like upcoming projects. Like there's this one project that's coming up, brought to you by Phillipi TV and University of London, where we'll be teaching kids how to use their cell phones, to make films or to tell their stories. So it's part of the University of London and Phillipi TV initiative. So, and then we also run workshop for writers, for directors, for producers. All of those things, they are free of charge, so you don't pay any cent. Yes, and then today we are here celebrating 3rd annual Inkwenkwezi Youth Film Festival. This is where we give platform to filmmakers, emerging filmmakers, to showcase their films, to emerging artists like musicians, to showcase their talent in front of the crowd, and then also to give platform to actors to showcase their talent. So this is also like a motivational thing that we're doing today, because it motivates them. So all those films that are playing inside are produced and directed by students of Phillipi TV. Some are external films from other filmmakers, but most of Zona, they are produced by Phillipi TV students. And then it's really a great think that what I'm seeing today, because there's a lot of people, and it's I feel excited. I feel I'm out of words. Like I just ran out of words because it's amazing. It's amazing. I didn't expect the turnout to be like this, but it's amazing. It's amazing. The turnout is huge. It's huge, and I feel blessed with the support from the community, from the media, Inkwenkwezi Cinema, Cape Town TV, and all other organizations that are here as well to support this day. Because today it's all about educating young and old about films, about stuff, social ill issues that are there like in those films.
Hey guys, this is Doug Taylor. Okay, into enzekayo guys, like bekumnandi apha ePhillipi village. The only thing I will ask you guys to do iyi-one into yokuba like ile nto sinefilimu yethu My Father My Responsibility, the one we shot in George. We're running campaigns zayo whereby we stream ile ifilimu ku different cinemas as uba nathi Inqwelo Cinema. Inqwelo means we are a movement company. We move her to the different places trying to uba wonke umuntu ayifumane ichance yokuba abukele le filimu, and we will need i-support yenu guys kuyo yonke le kulo location sothi siyiposte ku social media sithi sikuloo ndawo. Please guys, izani kuloo ndawo sikuyo nizobukela ifilimu My Father My Responsibility.
Okay, Inqwelo Cinema family, we've just been to the film festival. It's a very beautiful experience. It's well organized, it's well put together, and we've enjoyed every moment of it. Festivals like these are very important, more especially festivals in township spaces where the opportunities are not really that prevalent. So it's important that we have festivals like this, that it's important that for filmmakers to come and support, come and showcase your work. It doesn't matter how small the work is or how small you believe it to be, just try to come and showcase your work. This is where you get guidance, this is where you get to network with people that may have more connections in the industry than you, or may have something to teach you. So for all the aspiring filmmakers out there, please attend festivals like this. This was a beautiful experience, and we are very grateful for Phillipi TV for actually inviting us to this. Thank you.